Hi everyone, in this video tutorial I am going to explain how you can make your own system clock using Arduino. So the components you require is a Arduino Uno, a LCD display, half breadboard, a RTC module and few jumper wires. So let's get started. First we will make the circuit. So we will take a breadboard and we will mount our LCD display to it like this. And we will take our Arduino board and we will do the connection now. So finally our connection has been done. So what this circuit does is it gathers data, it acquires the data from the RTC module and send it to microcontroller. The microcontroller will display this data on LCD display. Let's check out the code. So here as you can see I had included the library for RTC display and the name is DS3231, and after that I had included the library for LCD display. And very next of that, these are the communication line which will be used for interface between the Arduino and RTC. So it is SD and SCL pins. So our Arduino has pins for these communication. Next I had initiated the contrast with the value of 75, and next I had defined the pins for the LCD display. This is my custom character, and in wired setup I had given the contrast value, and here is the LCD begin and RTC begin. So this is basically initializing the LCD and RTC. Next in a loop I had set the LCD cursor at 00, and here it will display the date. Then next after that I had set the cursor at 08, where it will display the time. So after that we need to display the temperature. So here again I had set the cursor at 12, and it will display the temperature. And very next after that it will display my custom character, that is degree. And after that Celsius indicated by C. And finally I had set the cursor at 0 for the next line to display the date. So the code is quite simple. We'll try to upload the program and see what will be the output. So we'll connect the USB, and initially you can see the screen is blank. Now I will upload the program. As you can see here, we can see month, the time and the date. So we will try to reset this date and give it to the present date. Now to change the default date and time, we'll go back in the code, and here as you can see in the wired setup I had commented a few lines, so I will uncomment it. That is for the day. Next is for the time, and next is for the date. So now we can change the default date and time. So today the day is Saturday and the Time right now is 5:30 and the date is 18th April. So now we will upload the program. So now as you can see guys, the date has been reset. So here is my day and the time is 5:30 and the date is 18/4/2020 and the temperature is 31 degrees Celsius.